Okay, we've already done square roots before, so today we're going to look at cube roots. What's a cube root? Well, let's start with what it might be. Think about the number 2 cubed, or 2 to the third power. 2 to the third power is 8. That means 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. So what's a cube root? Well, the cube root of 8 equals 2. In other words, it's what number can you multiply it by itself, times itself, and get the original number. So let's look at 3 cubed equals 27. That's 3 times 3 times 3. So if I ask you for the cube root of 27, it would be 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Now they always work out nice and neat, so we have to do some estimating. Remember when we did estimating with square roots? Well, we're not going to get really picky. We just want to know what two numbers it's in between. So if we've got the cube root of 50, well, I know that the cube root of 27 equals 3, and the cube root of 64 equals 4. How do I know that? I've done a lot of problems. But you can also do 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. So the cube root of 50 is somewhere between 3 and 4. And that's your answer. It's somewhere between 3 and 4. Now how about the cube root of 100? Well, let's see. If I do 5 times 5 times 5, I get 125. So the cube root of 100 has to be somewhere between 4 and 5. Okay, that's all there is to it. You just do a little estimating and figure out what two numbers it's in between.